And today we're in a beautiful home in Verne, and we just completed a master bathroom and 2 guest bathrooms. Let's check them out. Let's start with the master bathroom. So this is a very traditional house, and the customers wanted to keep the existing cabinetry, which I always think is a great idea. If your cabinets are in good condition and they work properly, then there's no reason to replace the cabinetry. We went with a marble countertops. This marble is called Dana Real, and it's a beautiful kind of creamy with some brown veins in it. And we did a Versailles over bullnose edge detail. And I think that really makes it elegant. It just really ties the space together very well. The mirrors were those old track mirrors that had, you know, the frame and everything. We pulled that off. They still wanted a big mirror concept, so we ended up with these 1-inch beveled mirrors that we custom made for the space. And we have one over here, and there is one on this vanity as well. We kept the polished brass fixtures, keeping in line with that more traditional style. And it just really fits the space better, having the mirror really tall. So for the tub and shower area, they wanted a traditional soaker tub, changed the fixtures to, of course, the polished brass. And it has that really nice finished edge profile. And the shower, we went to almost the ceiling. There's a soffit in the back wall, and we didn't, you know, I wanted to stay away from the crown molding because there's just too much things fighting. So we have a soffit there, and we just tile up to the soffit. That gives a little bit of space, and so you have like a little reveal for the crown molding to go on top of, which I think, you know, fits the space a lot better. We did 2 accent bands in the shower, 6-inch accent bands. This is made of a marble called Emperador Dark, another marble called Emperador Light. And then we reinstalled the shutters back again on the window. So this gives, you know, lighting options. And then we did a niche here in the middle of the wall. They wanted more of a focal point. We have a single valve shower head, so this customer just wanted a single option. So just a shower head and a single valve, and that's what we did for them there. This is a frameless shower enclosure. You see the beautiful corner that we did here. It just looks, I mean, the craftsmanship is really great. For the floor, we use a coordinating floor tile. This is actually a porcelain tile meant to coordinate with the ceramic tile. We did a 3-inch border in the Emperador Dark marble, and we offset it from the wall 3 inches, and then we did a 3-inch band that goes all the way around the bathroom, and then we put a custom medallion here in the middle that uses the marble from the countertop, the marble from the border, and then we also added a black absolute granite, which just adds a little extra flair.